Kindle Income Academy offers a self-publishing course that will teach you how to take your business to the next level. Make money while you sleep? Yes, it's true. Are you a new publisher looking for the best way to start your Kindle business? You can now find the hidden goldmine keywords and have access to the best team of writers and designers in the industry. Furthermore, this unique course helps to create books that receive 5-star reviews. The results are guaranteed. Get one-on-one mentorship with a 6-figure self-publisher. It's a system that teaches people step by step how to grow their KDP business to 5 figures per month. Have access to a supportive community that helps you grow your business. Have a dedicated team supporting you so you can earn while you sleep. Learn exactly what you need to do to earn $10,000 per month and more. Imagine if you could earn $2,500 in 2 months from scratch. What does our system do? Set up the right business structure for self-publishing success and achieve market domination and earn more than $10,000 per month. Get started with setting up your account across various platforms while creating books of the right length and quality. We help you tell the difference between a niche and a keyword and create fabulous covers that customers will actually buy. Find the most profitable niches and learn which ones to avoid, price your books for maximum profit, and crack the audiobook market using simple techniques. We offer more things. Build a scalable brand with your books. Generate organic 5-star reviews for your books. Expand your business and diversify beyond Amazon. Perform email marketing the right way. Publish different types of books beyond fiction and non-fiction. And profit from foreign markets. Reach out to us now at Kindle Income Academy. www.kindleincomeacademy.com